Another natural disaster struck Canada after a terrible devastating flood on the eve of an incredible blizzard hit the city of Edmonton, Alberta. In some parts of the province, a record 60 centimeters of snow fell in a short time. Also, the snowfall was accompanied by a hurricane wind, which in some places reached a speed of 70 km/h. Traffic on the roads was severely restricted, and there were hundreds of road accidents resulting in large congestion on the roads. Utilities have been put on an emergency mode and are actively fighting the consequences of the snowfall. No information on the victims has been reported. In 2020,